I'm Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop in Scotia, New York. Today I'm going to show you how to restore a wood dresser. This piece of furniture was found on the side of the road, and I stripped it with conventional paste stripper. I then sanded it with 120 and then 150 sandpaper. I also repaired some of the veneer that was broke off the front, which you can't even see the repair on. And what I like to do is I like to use press clamps to hold the veneer in place. Once the veneer has been held in place, I can then go ahead and scrape the glue off and go ahead and sand it as normal. The sides of the dresser are in excellent condition. You can see there's no veneer damage. I used 120 grit on the side of this and then 150. You just go ahead and sand it with the direction of the grain. If there's any trouble areas, give them the extra attention that you need. If there's any additional veneer, you can go ahead and repair that at the time, but you can see that this piece doesn't need anything. Once this is all fixed and ready to go, it's ready for the staining process. We can use any type of conventional stains on this as you would choose, a Minwax or a Czar or anything else of that nature. And then once you stain it, you're going to go ahead and put polyurethane over the top of it. You can use it on a rag or in a brush, or you can spray it on, and you can also spray on a lacquer if you choose to. And that's pretty much it. You're going to take care of the piece of furniture, be a nice addition to your home. And this was Todd Langwell, the Flying Furniture Guy from R&D Woodshop, and this was how to restore a wood dresser.